control. We're overcomplicating how love flows. High low shouldn't be this stock broke, shouldn't be this hard to tell you I want more. I wanna see that you want me, snatch me up quick, let's see the ring. I wanna know, can we move forward, bust down that door, playing all my cards now, 'cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. But I can't wait no more. Baby, get low, I can get low. Every time I think about you, baby. Lately you've been trying to buy time for me, but your watch broke. Now your shot clock counting down. Headed to the middle, not your MO. Baby, push the tempo. Don't know how much longer till I hit the ground running. Are you stopping me? You gotta go like Monopoly. I'm tryna make you my property. Better yet, buy me some property. 'Cause we've been doing this forever. Guess it's never, never. 'Cause I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. I've been waiting, but every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. But I can't wait no more. Get low, baby, get low. I can get low. Every time I think about you, baby, don't wanna take it slow. Eyes locked from across the room, hot sweat dripping, bright neon lights. She moves smooth, heart skipping tunes. I'm lost in a rhythm as the bass ignites. Curves like poetry, tender whispers in the air. The touch sends shivers, electrifying my skin. In this crowded haze, we ignite the flare. Love connection where we both fit. Just two souls chasing ecstasy, exploring desires. Wild and free, no labels define our love story. We're dancing in the dark, a trance of glory. A trance of glory. Beneath the opalescent lights, our worlds collide. A touch electric sparks flying as our hands glide. In the hum of the crowded room, her words cut clear. A dialogue profound, pulling me near. No pretense in a grip, no hollow words spill. Only the truth of the moment, the thrill that's real. In the swirl of dim lights and fleeting glances, we found a rhythm of our own, taking our chances. Her voice a melody, a touch a guide. In the chaos of the night, we chose not to hide. Just two souls chasing ecstasy. final story. We're dancing in the dark. A trace of glory. A trance of glory.
Hold up, I'm moving too fast. How did I get so attached? I'm trying to see where you at, and you wanna match. Cause I'm feeling you, and I'm trying to know the truth. Is it you, the one I'm trying to hold on to? Open your eyes this time. The light is So I finished what you started. I placed me where your heart is. What is this feeling? Almost like I'm dreaming. Keep you in my pocket, on your chest just like a locket. What you have, I think I need that. Let you take control. Show me how it goes. Keep letting you know till we both grow old. You got me on my knees, begging you please. I'm not trying to make a scene, just want you and me. You belong with me. Ooh.